Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday, Friday freebie. Little special one today. There's a few pages, one from me, one from a very special crafty friend. Thank you in advance. Guys, I hope you will enjoy today's free printable. Don't forget to follow the step by step so you know how to get it. Enjoy this video and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, before we crack on with the Friday freebie, I just want to share a little frame of the video I showcased on Monday so you can see what you could get if you join my VIP memberships. And the Friday freebie today is one page of the kit. So I'm going to show you the kit first and then I'll show you the freebie. The first one is the larger kit and the second one is the mini. Okay, so the larger one, it's got quite a lot of pages. So you've got one page with the tags. Look at that. So you've got the same sort of pattern with different backgrounds and the different color gems. This is probably my favorite one. And guess why it's called Diamonds Are Girls' Best Friends? Oh, well, they are. And not just girls, I must admit. Oh, guilty. Yeah, I do like diamonds. I do like gems. Yeah. Love them. Then there is this page when I just create a little embellishment for your cards or journals or whatever you want to create with those. So it's very high definition. So you got all this beautiful sequins. Then this is probably my favorite page of the kit, or one of them. So you've got 4 different backgrounds with 4 different sequins. So you've got gold, this lovely baby blue. It's not teal, it's in between teal and blue, but it's more blue than teal. So some of these are teal. I don't know if you can see, yeah. And then it's very deep navy blue and of course red. Then a page with all different diamonds. A full background of different gems and gold diamonds. I love that. Love them. A full page of purple and deep purple sequins, and I enhanced the sparkler with some white. Hope you can see them. This is another one of my favorites. So you've got a really nice turquoise background with all the different gems. And then what I did, guys, I just put them into 4 different cards. So they're perfect cards backgrounds. Or if you can make like vintage cards, or you can cut them into tags. You can do anything you want. And this is my favorite page with it. Butterfly. So it's blue butterflies. There. And then there is a bit of a green. It looks black, but it's more like it's in between grey and blue. It looks black, I guess, on camera, or what I can see, it looks black, but it's not. And then you've got these beautiful butterflies and a lot of gems. Love it. Love it. One more page with full of tags, like scallop tags with gold sequins. And one more page of tags. Blue tags with the gems. They're just ready for you guys, so you just need to fussy cut them and decorate them, or you can just leave them like that. And then the last page is this one here, when you've got a little embellishment, so you can cut these flowers and create your own flowers. This is a bow, so that is the 2 tails, and that is the 2, what you call them, thingy, or the bow, and that goes in the middle. And then some tabs. So if you make like a gold sequin journal, that's amazing. And some balloons. And that's it. So that's kit number 1. And then kit number 2 is this one. So you've got 4 pages. So all my minis have 4 pages. So, and this is not available on the website. This is purely for the VIP members. And this, of course, those 2 are. So that's got a floral background, and then, so they, do you know, if you do handmade books, or not books, this will look amazing, because look how pretty, or as a book cover or journal cover, that looks nice. This one here with a muse, angel, and Cupid with his little friend. And then what I thought, guys, I gave you a page with small embellishment, black and white, so they can go with everything, and you just fussy cut it, so you can use this as little decorations, or you can make cards or tags. And then slightly bigger version if you do like bigger projects. So this is amazing, like for Valentine's, for example. And I love this one. Okay, so I'm gifting you all this page here. And the reason why I picked this page here, because you've got 4 separate backgrounds. So you can make cards, you can make tags. At least you've got 4 options to play with rather than just one single background. So yeah, have fun with this, guys. And I got a Facebook group, so feel free to showcase what you make with this on the group so everybody can benefit. Plus a special Friday freebie from the lovely Michelle Flynn. She is a very active crafter on my Facebook group. She's part of all the VIP membership as well. So Michelle joined a few months ago. So thank you, Michelle, for the love and support. Michelle's an amazing crafter. Always showcase project on my Facebook group. So again, go and have a look and see what Michelle does. And she emailed me, asked me if she don't mind sharing this with you guys. So we created a PDF file. So yeah, so because this is too big, I will send this to the newsletter, and this will be available on the website. And the reason why, because on the newsletter I can only send one attachment, and the attachment has to be quite low, because otherwise the email won't send. So if I create a PDF with these 4 pages, the file will be too big. So this will be sent out to the newsletter, and this will be on my Facebook group. So go over there. So as usual, guys, how to download the freebie. This will be on my website on the homepage, ready for you to download. Also get sent every Friday 9 PM to my newsletter with some crafting news. So I invite you to join. It's totally free. I'll put the link down below. And as I said, on my Facebook group, ready to download with the rest of the goodies I shared in the last 2-3 years. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's Friday's freebie. Just want to say again, huge thank you to Michelle from the bottom of my heart. Thank you, Michelle, for thinking about us. And if you wish to watch more videos about butterflies, I've done tons and tons of video. I will put the link in somewhere on the screen here. So if you want to carry on watching, just click on the link here. And until next week, guys, stay safe and well.